to know, do you have one of those projects that you have been just putting off? That, I don't know, whether it's a craft project, a home project, some sort of project that you've put off, and 5 years later you finish it and total you spent 2 hours on it? Well, we're going to talk about that today. Hi, welcome to Hands-On Family. I'm Amanda and I'm so glad to have you here today. Today we are going to talk about those projects that you, for whatever reason, just don't complete. That you start doing it and then something comes up, maybe you get bored of it, I don't know, but it's a project that's sitting there waiting to finish. I love to craft. I'm really good at starting projects, but not finishing them. And a lot of times, those projects that I think, oh my gosh, I just need to sit down and do it. I sit down and I do it, and it takes me less than an hour to finish. I just completed a blanket for my niece that I made for her first birthday. That was 5 years ago. I just gave it to her for her 6th birthday. Total, it took me probably about 2 hours time, hands up. But it took me over 5 years, guys. 5 years to complete. I don't know why. It wasn't that difficult of a project to do. It was a sentimental project because it was a project that I had made out of fabric from my husband's grandma, who passed away when my sister-in-law and I were pregnant with our daughters. And for some reason, I just couldn't complete it. And I finally put together a pile of projects, and I decided that I need to complete those projects by a certain day, or they're going to go to somebody else who can finish it or repurpose it into something else. So I want you to think about a project that you have started that you haven't finished. And I want to help you stay accountable and finish a project that you've started. Whether it's a project around your house, it's a craft project, it's a project outside. Maybe you started building garden boxes like 5 years ago and you're still waiting to have a garden. I want you to set aside some time this week to purposely finish a project that you started. So, anyways, find a project, do it, complete it. Either comment below and let me know what you've done, or message me, email me, let us know what you've done. Let us know what you chose. We'll see you next week.